The judge handling the N8.7 bn money laundering prosecution of former Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, Abubakar Malami, has issued a firm caution, warning that nobody associated with the case should attempt to approach him privately. Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court in Abuja delivered the warning on Wednesday while ruling on the bail request filed by Mr Malami alongside his co-defendants, his wife, Asabe Bashir, and his son, Abdulaziz Malami. Stating his stance on judicial integrity, the judge declared, "Irrespective of my familiarity with you, when I am dealing with any case, do not approach me." The law cannot be bent as far as this court is concerned, the judge cautioned. He added that his calmness in court should not be misconstrued as weakness. Addressing the EFCC prosecution team, defense counsel, and the defendants, Justice Nwite further stated, "So, I want to warn each and every litigant and lawyer appearing before this court that they should understand the way this court works. Please, to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Any attempt to tarnish my name will be resisted and dealt with." I warned, and I warned. Mr Malami, who served as AGF under former President Muhammadu Buhari between 2015 and 2023, is standing trial with his wife and son on a 16-count charge bordering on alleged laundering of about N8.7 billion. In the charge sheet filed by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, the trio are accused of retaining proceeds of unlawful activity and acquiring assets traced to funds of questionable origin. Daily Post reported that the court granted bail to each of the defendants in the sum of N500 million, with two sureties in the same value. The judge further directed that the sureties must own verifiable properties situated in either Maitama or Gwarinpa areas of Abuja. Justice Nwite delivered his warning after pronouncing the bail ruling, stressing that neither litigants nor lawyers should seek backdoor access to the court. He reminded parties to appreciate the character of the court before which they appear, noting that all judges are not the same. The judge advised that instead of attempting undue contact, parties should engage competent counsel to properly argue their case. In a separate ruling delivered the same day, Justice Nwite also granted an interim forfeiture order sought by the EFCC covering 57 properties suspected to be linked to Mr Malami's alleged unlawful dealings. The order followed an ex-parte application filed by the EFCC and moved by its counsel, Ekele Iheanacho, a senior advocate of Nigeria.